There's another window manager right there. So I don't see that thing I'm looking for here. At least not in this package. Not as part of the official puppy fossa package. Maybe it were okay, but hopefully because this is in uh, hope because this is in the Fossey directory. Maybe it means it'll work. What Rafi does, it gives you some sort of pop-up menu options for what's it gives a pop-up for as you menu options for a tiling desktop. I got your attention. Yes, because this is no type of desktop for a for a for a, uh, a, a, a a command line type of data science guy like we are. Okay, close this. Come over here now. Oh man, that's install one more thing. You got to install Vim, right? You can't be a hardcore Unix guy. It should be a let's just what does that do? And what this does, man is the historic way of calling up man pages. This one here tries to call up web browsers. Okay, calls up the man page of the web browser. Okay. And oh, yes, we do uninstall. Uh oh. Okay, so let's open up. Right, like I say, if you're going to be a hardcore command line guy, you gotta use them. Yes, yes, I know all about. Do it, do it, Hurst. Do it. I'm going to show you a few important functions you can do inside of Vim to make it easier to use. Okay. How could Vim already be installed? But yet there wasn't any functions for it. All right. Finished. One more thing. At least one more. Okay, so we have to go back up here then. Why would you install Python when I install pip? I don't understand that. Okay, just don't get that. Maybe that's it. That was Python pip wheel. Okay, and this would appear to be the same, oddly enough. What else? Anything else we want to install here? Okay, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Why didn't pip install? There we need. That's what we're looking for there. Again, that's Python 3 pip. Okay. Okay. Pip 3. Let's just install a few packages of Python. Mainly Python, Pandas, lib. Now the Panda should also install related packages, okay? Let's just do NumPy for right now. Okay, that should be enough for right now. Now we're going to shut the system down. It should ask us to do a save. Shut it down, save. What this does, and this saves all of our desktop settings. Nothing like some meaningful file names, right? You want to swap partition. What this does, this may actually create a swap file. Yeah, swap file now. I gave it eight. Remember, we gave it 8 GB of memory. Now we'll see if this shuts down for us. Yeah. Okay. Good. So that time we had a clean startup and a clean shutdown. So let's take a look one more time. First, let's do this. Now, is there anything else we should install? Okay. So here's what I recommend you do at this point. Our system's pretty much what we want it as we want. We have all the packets installed with we need, with possible exception one that is GNU-plot, but that's a matter. We'll get to that in a moment here. Users, okay, David, scroll down here under your user under your account here, where it says VirtualBox VM. That's where it's at. So you can see we have here. This is my working one here. This is a backup, and this is the one that's broke. Okay, so I'll go make a backup of this one also. That way, if something does happen to our file, all we're going to do is just copy that and rename it back to the original name. Even though this is a small Linux system to install, we still got we got to keep it to the minimum. Okay. Remember, each one of these partitions only has 15 GB of space in it. So the backup is only going to be gets to 30. And of course, we'll give this some type of meaningful extension to it, like we did down here. And I'm hoping by installing that RAWFI from the fossil library, from the fossil repository, I'll get the run. You can certainly we can certainly get uh, we're just calling that workings all it is. Now the mystery is I need to caution you because a lot of times I have a problem here at getting stuff to boot up the first time. So then I'll boot it, it'll boot up, I'll restart it, I'll boot it again, the second, third time. Sometimes it's not the 34th time we actually get the system to boot up. But maybe by putting the bootloader directly into the Linux partition itself, maybe it'll work better this time. We'll see. So if you get a kernel panic, don't panic yet. This is 2 times in a row it's booted up the first time. Okay? Let's just do. See, this is an example. In some kinds, it's quicker to actually enter a command in the command line than it is to actually go through the member system. Go to the members and let's see if we have it here. GNU plot. What will they think of next? What will they think of next? Let's see. Let's see, feed GNU plot, GNU plot. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay. Now the trouble is, before I wasn't able to get any of the X packages to work. Okay, so let's do an install here then. GNU plot is an old plotting system designed by statisticians and data scientists to work at the command line. Now, because it's a command line, it means you can also pipe data to it from the outside. Okay. The question: will we be able to launch an X front end? This is a bonus package here. Let's do one thing. In order to get our, in order to get, first of all, let's make a few changes to our RC file. We're going to say show mode, show set, set. Is that right? Is it match or is it set match or is it show match? What about this one back up here? Oh, what's wrong up here? I misspelled. There we go. Okay, so when you're making some changes to your .vmi with your vim rc file, the key is the color blue because that means it's recognizing it as a command. Okay, so we're going to use what we're going to use show matching curly braces and matching square braces. Highlight those. We're going to do line numbering, and then it's going to show us, like it says down here, it's going to show us what mode we're actually in. Okay, so let's go to Etsy and do window manage, and you see we got the line numbers. We want to delete that and include. Now we're doing an insert. Okay,